Okay, all right. How did this come about? What's with the competition, the clock?
So listen, there's a labor shortage out there. You know, there's not enough technicians, so we need you guys on and off that job as quick as possible. No, but to make the tools a little bit, smarter, easier to use, less fatigue, for the technicians out in the field.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know about you, but you do a couple bends on the 7/8. You're pretty gassed out,
Not really.
Okay, but
Yeah.
maybe not you, but some out there, maybe me, or the swedging. It takes you usually,
5 or 6 tries to get it without cracking.
Yeah, to get it without cracking. So that's automatic now. And then the flaring is the biggest leak point when it comes to a system, right? So if you over flare or under flare, then you're allowing, refrigerant to escape out on your mini splits and VRF.
Okay.
So we have a flaring tool that makes it consistent almost every single time. So
right.
we're doing a quick contest where you bend, swedge, and flare using 5/8 copper. You could inspect your copper piece. I selected mine. You selected yours.
Mine's bigger than yours.
So what we do is we pick up the copper, inspect it, then we put it down. We hit the start button. We deburr. Best practice, right? Always facing down.
Yep.
Deburr, and then we make a flare, swedge, and bend. So then when we're done, we hit the stop button, and fastest time wins.
Okay.
So whoever wins this actually wins a free flaring tool kit from NAVAC.
And so far, Keith has the best time ever recorded in the history of HVAC. So,
The history of this contest.
in the history of this contest.
Yep.
And I'm here to beat that for sure. But first, I need you to show me how you do it, right?
Yeah.
So that's the only reason you're going first.
That's the only reason why I'm
That's
going
it.
first.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So we start with hands on the table.
Okay, all right.
Right? Everyone kind of blesses us. So right
Yep.
now, if you notice, I'm looking to where my pieces are.
Yep, I'm just waiting for your mic to catch on something as you work, which would make me really happy.
Yeah. So
Okay.
someone needs to set me off to say I could start.
Oh yeah, one of the rules, you can only use one battery, and that's this one.
Yep.
Yep,
So we'll change it between the tools. But each tool comes with a battery, but just for contest sake.
just for contest sake.
Yep. So
Okay.
so I'm ready.
Go for it.
So it's fast is slow, right?
Is that the faster tool to use?
I don't know. You tell me. 5/8. All right.
That tool is currently doing the work while he's working. This is ridiculous. So you have to move it to the middle. This is part of the competition?
Yeah, you do have to put it in the middle.
Okay. Could you talk a little bit while you're doing this, please?
It's very hard to talk. I'm not a Twitch streamer. But what I'm doing now is I'm going from a swedge to a flare to a swedge. Oh, I forgot the battery.
Sucker, it's working.
Yeah.
Got him talking.
Got it. Me too. Oh, no.
Yeah, you should look at the time.
Battery is almost dead,
Where's the
which we're
other
going to
one?
have to get into the other one. So I'll give Bert the most fresh battery.
Gotta have a reason I just won. Holy cow, that was fast.
One minute, 20 seconds.
Sheesh. That's unbelievable.
More important than being fast is being accurate with your work. So you saw how fast I did it. My swedge is not cracked. So I don't want to hear you blaming anything on the tools.
Oh, come on.
And then my flare has to go in and catch that little depth gauge, right? So go in straight and you feel it catch.
That's what this is for? Did you remember
Inside
this?
joke?
Yes.
Yes, inside joke. I won't say who said that, but yeah. So this one passes, that's
Nice.
mine. So now I'm
All right.
disassemble it, everything.
Give me a fresh battery, because the low battery helps you go a lot faster.
Yeah. This one, it's fresh.
That one's fresh. Let me just.
Well,
Put that on
let's
the charger.
just find out.
Yeah. Well, cool thing about NAVAC tools is we have a battery indicator I'll tell you in 2 seconds. Bam, I charged that one last night.
Nice.
While you guys were at the bar, I was, practicing this in my hotel room. So,
What a guy.
All right, we got to reset the time. You got that down, right? 1 minute, 20 seconds. So we're going to reset that. All right, everyone be on Bert alert. Let's go.
Okay. Gotta see where
Inspect
gotta
your
see where
stuff,
everything
man.
is.
So what's your mindset? What are you thinking?
What am I thinking?
The strategy here.
Strategy.
You're going to go.
You're gonna use all the tools you just used a little bit faster than you did.
Good idea.
Not gonna get hung up. Now this is what threw me off.
Yeah.
It tightens, unscrews from the top.
So you don't
Or
have to
loosens,
unscrew it.
just-
I already have it loose for you.
Okay.
But you have to move that in place
Yeah.
because you have to make a 90 bend,
Yeah.
which means the tool goes up all the way. So in the middle depth here, you want it in the middle for 5/8 and then turn it and then have the 5/8 towards you.
Got it.
Yeah. So unturn it.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
Because you have to start with everything in the kit.
Okay. All right. Time to show this salesman how Real Tech does it. You ready for this? All right.
All right, hold
We're
on, hold on.
clear?
Hands on the table. Put that down.
Oh,
Put that down.
jeez,
Hands
come
on
on.
the table. Brad, call him off.
Woo! Give me strength, Lord.
Ready when you are.
Okay, and go.
Come on, Bert. Talk us through it.
No, I'm
do you-
not saying a word. If you could just not talk to me, that would be great. No breathing in this general direction. Come on.
Yep.
Does that matter? No.
Doesn't.
It does not matter.
You're making
Just
things
wasted time for no reason.
middle.
I'm all in a panic.
All right, your flare just stopped.
Okay, all right, stop talking to me. Please. I'm gonna beat you. I
Sure.
have big plans.
What are you gonna do when you win?
Huh?
Go to Disney
I'm
World.
gonna go places, man. I'm gonna go out on the road. I'm gonna take your job.
Take it.
Gonna absolutely take your job. That's the big plan here.
Yep.
Come on. You can feel it. You're scared, aren't you? You are terrified.
No, I want
You
someone
should be. You should be. Absolutely terrified. Ah! Battery.
to turn it on.
I did. I did in my head.
Hit it.
Ah, are you kidding me? Are you serious? You were 10 seconds faster?
Yeah.
I felt
Yeah,
like I
the
was
battery
really,
fumble.
Oh, that did speed him up when he had
Yeah.
to change batteries mid-presentation.
All right, but more important, remember, what's more important? Being accurate, right? With your work.
I guess not
So,
today though.
I
Kind
heard
of just wanted to beat you in the time.
I heard something move here,
All right.
which created a wrinkle in this.
You heard something move.
I heard something
There's
move.
no wrinkle.
And then, wow, flare's good.
Okay. All right, try me.
You're good, perfect.
Yes. Ah. All right.
not
The new
on-
time to beat for a
NAVAC employee.
NAVAC salesman is
I'm not just
130.
Yep, 130. Come
wasn't
beat
bad.
us.
Wasn't bad.
Come smoke me, please. Take my flaring tool. Pack it on the plane with you, or drive it home to a new home. So, thank you, Bert. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that was a blast. No hard feelings.
No hard feelings at all.
Thanks for watching. If you're willing, give this video a thumbs up and drop us a comment. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with all of our future videos. And as a quick reminder, HVAC School isn't just a YouTube channel. Dive deeper with us at our main website, hvacrschool.com. Curious for more knowledge on the go? We've got you covered. Tune into the HVAC School podcast, available on all your favorite podcast apps. And while you're at it, join our thriving Facebook group. Also, don't miss out on our free mobile applications available for both iPhone and Android. We're all about community. For techs, by techs.